Now to begin working on our menus, let's go into the exercise files. Let's open up the chapter_01. Let's open up 01_01 and let's find menus.html and let's open this up in a text editor. Now in this HTML file, I have all of the necessary HTML to create that basic page structure we looked at earlier. Down here inside of the header element, we have a nav element. Inside of the nav element, I have an unordered list. We're going to use this unordered list as the basic structure. Many people use unordered lists to create menus because there's a natural hierarchy in nesting bulleted lists. So in our HTML, we have our outermost unordered or bulleted list with the list items of About Us, Products, Design Corner, and Contact Us. We're going to be adding additional unordered lists inside of some of these list items. So back in our HTML file to create our first nested bullet list, let's come down inside of the About Us. Let's get our cursor after the anchor link, but before the ending list item. Let's hit a return. Let's get our cursor inside of that break. Let's tab in. Let's add a beginning UL tag and then an ending UL tag. I'll add some lines. Let's format this a little bit. I like to make sure I keep all of my formatting in place so I can visually see the structure. Now inside of this UL, let's come in here. Let's add another list item. Inside of the list item, let's add an anchor tag. href equals, and for now we'll just put in a £, just make a self link. We'll end the tag, then end the anchor tag. And we'll just call this sublink 1. Let's select the entire line. Let's copy it. Let's paste it on the next line and just change this one to sublink 2. So now the About Us has another unordered list inside of its list item. So let's copy this entire nested bullet list. Let's come down to Design Corner. Let's get before the ending li for Design Corner. Let's set some returns. Let's come in here and let's paste that unordered list inside of there as well. So now we have sublink 1, sublink 2. Let's come in here and duplicate the third one into sublink 3. Let's come in here and split this one open. And we're going to add another unordered list inside of sublink 3, which is the nested bullet list inside of Design Corner. And then we'll just come in here and name this sublink 4 and sublink 5. So sublinks 4 and 5 are at our third level of hierarchy. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 2 are at the second level, and About Us, Products, Design, and Contact Us are at the top level. So to see our progress so far, let's save our HTML file. Let's go back to the exercise files. Let's open up menus.html up in a browser. And now in the heading area, we can see all of our nested unordered lists. And now with this in place, we'll start to restyle our unordered lists to convert them into a menu.